जी मीडिया हमेशा देश हित से जुड़ी पत्रकारिता करता है। निष्पक्ष और विश्वसनीय खबरें बताना जी मीडिया के डीएनए में, फिर चाहे सत्ता पक्ष को कितना भी चुभे। जी न्यूज हमेशा पत्रकारिता के सिद्धांतों से कोई समझौता नहीं करता, फिर चाहे इसके लिए जी न्यूज को सत्ता के खिलाफ ताल ही क्यों ना ठोकनी पड़े। पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार की मनमर्जी को मना करने पर पंजाब में जी न्यूज को ब्लैकआउट कर दिया गया, लेकिन जी न्यूज सत्ता की ताकत के आगे नहीं झुका, क्योंकि ये प्रेस फ्रीडम पर हमला था। आज पूर्व राज्यसभा सांसद डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने मीडिया मीट में मीडिया की आजादी, उसकी ड्यूटी और मीडिया की एकता जैसे मुद्दों पर खुलकर अपनी राय रखी।
Z News, we are here to stand and fight for the freedom of press, freedom of media, despite the events which happened in last couple of weeks. Our people interviewed the Chief Minister of Aam Aadmi Party, and that interview was not published due to editorial decision, and they were naturally pursuing us that we must publish it. They pursued and started threatening that if you don't publish it, be ready to face the consequences. What consequences was the question in my mind also when I was told. Of course, they stopped the advertising from Punjab government, which was substantial. And second, third day, we came to know that the Punjab government put a very strong pressure on the local MSO of Punjab, who happens to be a monopoly in Punjab. They not only stopped Z News, they pressurized that MSO to stop showing Z Punjab Haryana, Z Delhi NCR, and also they stopped Z Entertainment's entertainment channels, which has got nothing to do with Z Media. For 8 days we kind of deprived our viewers, our people, both from news entertainment as well as from giving their loved entertainment. So finally we got it cleared from the courts and the legal system. But we have fought it very strongly, clearly, and single-handedly. I can say that, unfortunately, the other news media people did not participate in this struggle. Tomorrow it could be somebody else, not Z. But I still assure them, and all of you, through all of you, we will still stand by if something like that would happen with anybody else.
पंजाब सरकार की सत्ता के सामने जी मीडिया डटकर खड़ा रहा और कानूनी जंग में जीत हासिल की। लेकिन जो जी मीडिया के साथ हुआ, वो कल किसी और मीडिया हाउस के साथ भी हो सकता है। पूर्व राज्यसभा सांसद डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने मीडिया के सामने बढ़ती चुनौतियों और दर्शकों की कसौटी पर खरा उतरने के लिए मीडिया मीट में अपना विजन रखा।
First time I saw the ranking being 159th on 3rd May only. I did not know before. I had never seen what is our ranking. But between that day and now, I have done a lot of research. I've gone back almost 30 years, and we have never been below 100. And it has been hovering. Sometimes it goes to 120, goes to 150, comes down to 120, like that. If you look at, and my press release is very, very clear, and I have given an incidence here. The governing class, which not necessarily only the central government. It could be a business house, it could be a state government, it could be a moneyed person, it could be a muscle person. To them, I call them as a governing class. Probably it's a mistake on their part, though I am nobody to suggest anybody that you are making mistake. They have to take their own decision. But Mrs. Indira Gandhi's defeat post-emergency time, when the elections happened, showed very clearly that if Mrs. Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister knew that her own people were committing atrocities on the general public, if she would have known that, I am sure she would not let that happen as Prime Minister. But she did not come to know why, because the same very people were censoring the media of that time. She did not come to know that this is happening on the ground. So at times they are making their own mistake by not giving this freedom. And it has been happening ever since. And now, at these current times, some of us have also started taking. ये तो ऐसा ही चलता है. And I'm sorry to say, I had to also seek change in my own organization, news organization, because some people said, okay, ऐसा ही है, we will have to accept. I said, no, we don't accept. जो सच्चाई है एक्सेप्ट करिए, नहीं सच्चाई है तो बोलिए. उसके लिए करेज तो चाहिए. I hope that answers your question. So we are also responsible for the low rating, equally.
डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने मीडिया मीट में कहा कि मीडिया की स्वतंत्रता के बिना एक स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र की कल्पना नहीं की जा सकती और जी मीडिया की प्रतिबद्धता हमेशा इस स्वतंत्रता को बनाए रखने और सार्वजनिक हित की पत्रकारिता को बढ़ावा देती रहेगी.
सिस्टम से हारा हुआ आदमी हमारे पास आता है. कुछ साल पहले हमने we did an extensive exercise. I, together with my colleagues from the journalism, media, and editors, we all went to the length and breadth of this country. And we met at least 7,000 families, people. And they all said that you guys, you only talk politics, you only show something which you want to show, but you don't talk about my problems, my issues. At the same time, while blaming, they also said that you are only my last hope. So both messages were very loud and clear. And since then, we started in Zee News applying 6 methods or parameters of while giving a news. We trained our reporters, we did everything. For about a year, 2 years, we were even putting it on the screen that what lenses we have applied when we are giving you the news.
अब आज का प्रेरक विचार, शिक्षा सबसे सशक्त हथियार होता है जिससे दुनिया को बदला जा सकता है.
Zee News.